Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today, Boxycharm. This is the base box. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, go ahead and check out a few of my other videos on Boxycharm. It's a monthly subscription, $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and let's get into it. I'll leave the weight on the screen and the total value at the end. So, standard. Hello, Charmer. Hello, Charmer. Ooh, here's the card. Very makeup heavy. So what does it say? BTS. Say what? Okay, so we got 5 products. I have prices. Let's get into it. I have Glam Glow, and this is Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. That sounds heavy duty. Anti-aging, fine lines, smooth, refine, and glow. Ooh, nice packaging. Let's crack it open. I hear a lot of people like Glam Glow, so I'll give it a try. It says, hello, sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at all this stunning packaging for this tiny little bottle. All right, so we will definitely, oh, it's sealed, so we'll definitely try that out. That is $60. Okay, next, some cute packaging here. What is this? Pump Your Base, Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And it looks like a little stereo. Okay, we are $20. Multi-use makeup base sticks. And I'm not sure what that is, but that's the color. And then Jazz. So here are the color combos. One is copper and one is like a beige. So let's see, apply on the eyelid, bottom lash line, pop of color. So this is supposed to be like easy looks, kind of like those Trustique ones. Okay, $20. Here's a name I'm familiar with. Give Them Lala Beauty. This is mascara, $20. This is a new launch. I did see this on her site, and it's in the color black. I love her packaging. I'm not gonna open this, but I'm so curious as to what the wand looks like. Next, the Lifestyle Company, 1.69 ounces, $79. It's a hydrating elixir for dry, itchy scalp. Cool. Glass. Whoa. I mean, thank God it's only, yeah, $79. Not happening. And last, it's a little dented, but half caked, best friends forever. Duo fiber brush set at $22. That's reasonable. See what it looks like. Ooh, that's purple. You know, I love purple. Oh, look at this. It's not very dense though. I'm going to tell you that. Not very dense. So this is a 813. This is very, I thought it was going to be fluffier, but that's okay. Let me see. Where are you? Oh, and then you get this, freshly squeezed.
I'm here.
Okay. Half Cake in Bloom. Or I just picked it up on add-ons. I might have just picked it up. So this looks like blush. That might be a little deep, but very pretty. So we will put it back in the box. All right, so what do you guys think? 5 items. We got a brush and a blush. Brush and a blush. Brush and a blush. This is $22. So that's pretty good. Mascara. A mask. Hair elixir. And to makeup pencils. So let me see. I'm not really going to use this serum, and I'll use the mask and the mascara because I love Give Them Lola, but I'm gonna give this away in a giveaway. So stay tuned for that, guys. What do you think? $25, totally worth it. Totally worth it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And if you're new here, thanks so much for coming. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And stay tuned for more, guys. Stay safe.